Dude, it really opens up the lows when you have that window down, but the high note with it up, it squeezes you. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What's up for info? I do videos, man. Could you tell me your name and equipment real quick?
My name is Quan. I have 4 XSV4 Crossfire 18s on a Crossfire 16K, a half an ohm, and a 6th order.
Really?
A 6th order, man.
Wow.
And I love it.
Good bandwidth too? Are you happy?
Yeah, it's great bandwidth. I'm about to show you.
Did you fine tune your ports? They look like they did pretty.
So the back is tuned to like 26 and the front is like 45.
45? Okay. Have you metered it yet?
I metered before and did 60 flat on the meter. So it's probably a little louder now because that was on Brazilian power before, but now that should be a little louder.
Okay. What is this wired to?
Half an ohm. Just bought a fanny yesterday because my hand went into protect 3 times.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
True. That's good control.
Shout out to Ed Lester on that, man.
Yep. Nice. How's your voltage doing on the low? How low does it get down to?
13.
13s? Is that 100?
Yeah, 100 amp hour.
100 amp hour.
3 ohms, 2 270s and 1 320.
Can I see the alternator? Take it slowly, man.
Thank you. Let's see.
You have a good show?
Yeah, man.
It was great.
This was fun.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jake Cavallo. Hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Quan system. He did a really good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. If you haven't already, give him a like as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system. I really like the layout of his box, being able to fit 4 18-inch subwoofers in a 6th order enclosure. Anybody that doesn't know what a 6th order is, this rear port right here to the left of the subs is the rear port, tuned really low, and then the front port is at the front loading wall. So 6th order enclosure, really efficient. Did a great job. And I really like the way he has his amplifier rack staging in the back. Wasn't the prettiest by no means, but he got the job done. Of course, he has a Yukon XL, so he has a lot of space to fit this huge enclosure built into the vehicle on top of all of that space in the back to fit the electrical system. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. He's going to be playing us a song with the window up, and then you'll see that song with both windows down. I really could tell that the bandwidth was really well from the low 20 hertz range all the way into like the mid to high 40 hertz range with authority on this song. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the bass demo. Pretty impressive.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'll let you control whatever. All right.
You
That's great. Woo! Dude, it really opens up the lows when you have that window down, but the high note with it up, it squeezes you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.